is another how-to, and this time I'm going to share my experience with figuring out how to reset the service or maintenance service interval or inspection interval overdue. In a nutshell, if you scroll to your service info and go through like oil counter, the other inspection, so here it is, this stupid thing that displays kind of a profile of a car with the snake on the top of it. That's what people call it. Your car is being attacked by a snake. That's a, I don't know, is that a dollar symbol or what is that? It went away. So my car showed that being in a red color, and the date here was 01 like 21, which is an overdue, and naturally that lights up in a red color, and it's super annoying to really have that warning or a message. So I figured it needs to be reset, and here's the how to reset that maintenance or inspection interval overdue red light. So I hope this is good enough to really see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to show how to do the reset of that inspection interval using whatever that is, ISTA Plus in this case. So start up your software, do the vehicle identification and all to set up your job or operation. So once the program does the identification of your car, it shows all the relevant information, what it is and what the car is, and all the options, functions and such. You go to the tab that is called Vehicle Management right here. That tab has a few different options or sub tabs. This number 3 here is service functions. So you have to choose Vehicle Management, then you have to choose service functions. Then you have to scroll down to 1, 2, 3, number 4. There is total quantity of 6. So you have to go down to this line that says maintenance and pre-delivery check. Open that up by clicking the plus. Scroll down to all the way to, don't close on me. Open that tab up. Scroll down to, oh come on. One more time. Scroll down to reset CBS condition-based service. So why is it? So you cannot do that. One more time. So you have to get to. So you scroll down. So you choose the Vehicle Management tab first, then you choose Service Functions, then you scroll down to this line that says Maintenance Pre-Delivery Check, then you go to this line that says Reset CBS Condition-Based Service. Condition, open up. Reset condition based services. Click on reset CBS condition based services. Then on this side you will see type ABL CBS reset KWP, and you choose that, click on display. I have some warnings going on. Why am I getting these warnings? So wait until the program goes through the identification or whatever it does of all the processes. Then you scroll down all the way to your inspection line right here. So you have engine oil, brakes, all of those things that you can also actually reset. So go all the way to the lines that says statutory vehicle inspection. So now once the program processes all those possible values and all, so after the program stops doing the identification of whatever it's doing, you will see a list of different things, which is called the tab is going to say procedure, and under that you will see selection, CBS scope reset. There's going to be your engine oil, brakes, and so on. Scroll all the way down to your inspection, this line right here. You have to click on this square here, so it changes the color from gray to kind of bluish. Click continue. In this case it says like activate, deactivate. Click on activate, wait until it's activated, and now at this point you have a blank line and the program is asking you to enter the month for the inspection. I'm going to enter 9, just 9, because the range is from 1 to 12. Just enter whatever number you want for the month. Enter the number, click on continue. The next line is going to be enter the year for the inspection. So we have 2022. How about we set this to be 2024? So in this case you only have to enter 2 last digits of the year, which is going to be 24. I'm going to click continue. Then you have to click on enter date in vehicle. Click continue. Now it says please wait. Please wait again. So I have some warnings pop up. I don't know if they mean anything. And the process is finished. So once it all is processed and entered into your car, you will be returned to the same procedure tab, and you will actually be able to scroll down to the same line for the inspection, and if it was successful you will see the months and date and year. You will see the months and the year of your next inspection. I'm not sure if you can set it like to 10 years from now or something like that to never really bother with it again, but that's what it's like to reset that inspection interval. So again, if you're past due your inspection and you really don't want to go to a dealership and pay them whatever, since you're doing your BMW maintenance and inspection and everything yourself, that's what it's like to do the reset of that inspection interval. The next thing to do after that, click on the end service function, square, continue, and it says service function finished. Click on continue again, and you're back to your whatever base menu, and then you can do whatever else you want to do with your inspection and other maintenance intervals, brake pads, oil, and so on. Pretty simple. I'm sure there is a direct way of changing that in well, I'm not sure. I suppose there is a way to change that directly from the gauge cluster in the car, but this is the way to do the reset using the ISTA Plus.